Hey there, fellow air fryer enthusiasts. Today, I'm here to talk to you about a game-changing accessory for your air fryer. Introducing the 50/100 PCS AirFryers Disposable Parchment Paper Liner Oil-Proof Paper Tray Non-Stick Baking Mat. Let me tell you, this little accessory is an absolute game-changer. Made with food-grade parchment, it is waterproof, oil-proof, non-stick, and 100% healthy. Not only does it keep your air fryer clean by effectively keeping food residue away, but it also saves you time and effort on cleaning after baking. The best part? It doesn't interfere with the internal air circulation, ensuring that your food is cooked perfectly every time. And with its high heat resistance of up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, you can use it in your air fryer, microwave, oven, steamer, cooker, and more. Whether you're baking, roasting, frying, or serving food, these paper liners are a must-have for anyone who loves using their air fryer. So, if you want to save time on cleaning, cook healthier foods, and make the most out of your air fryer, then you need to get your hands on the 50/100 PCS AirFryers Disposable Parchment Paper Liner Oil-Proof Paper Tray Non-Stick Baking Mat. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description and get yours today. Trust me, you won't regret it.